Giona mess. Toilet, yay, super fun. What happened?
We're leaving.
Oh, we were leaving. Hello. It's green.
Who crosses here? Is gold?
Swallow it, take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know.
Nah,
I can make it.
you can ride everything. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
So you can ride, wait, let's see, you can ride DNA mixer. No, it's under maintenance. You can ride spinning orbit. It's under maintenance, darn. And Orts Express, that's under maintenance, darn. But you can go on Supersonic Odyssey, but you don't dare.
Let's go.
Are you there?
Find it.
If we find it, I think it's here. The orange thing. Spinning.
What's it? Spinning orbit.
In the wind, put the pedal to the floor, flame your light, take a smoke, put your broken rib off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up.
Lost in Chinatown. Let's see what this is. Okay. No, it's a free photo zone. You go back and look it. Photo zone. Yana,
Where are you? It's like a labyrinth.
I'm here.
Not like this. It's like a labyrinth.
Get lost?
Yeah.
Nah.
No, it's like, yeah. Always.
Someone got afraid.
Very creepy.
Okay. You're so scared.
Was you're kidding me? Who built that? And for what reason would you build something like that? Like a labyrinth of terror or something.
A labyrinth of terror. This also happens every day. I keep on walking and suddenly she's gone. And she's very fast. Look at this. She's already inside of a store. She has no idea that I don't know where she is. Huh?
This and then back.
Yep. And then airport lounge. Why do you look like fish? You know that this is going to be in the next video. So, the reason why I'm filming now is because this one, I'm going to catch her. She's trying to run. The thing is, we need to see Iona from the side. We need to have a profile picture of this, because this is awesome. Look at us. See that? The size of her bag is basically the size of her. You could fit in your own bag. You have a new hat? Sorry, hat. Hele lite.
Goes down. We'll still be up, don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, we're in this together. We both fall down, doesn't matter if the sun goes